Hi there and welcome. This is going to be a really quick Grove Studio video about the new super resolution tool within Lightroom. This is a tool that has actually already been in the Adobe Photoshop world. It was part of Camera Raw, but they just introduced it. Adobe just added it into Lightroom. And I just wanted to give you a really quick overview of how it works. So I have this photo here, and you can do this in the library module or develop. I happen to be in the develop module. And when you have the photo selected, you go up to photo and you select enhance, and you're going to get this pop-up window, this little dialog box. And it's going to do a preview here in the window, and it's going to be right in the center of the photo. And you're going to make sure that you check the super resolution checkbox right here. Now, super resolution, it says it doubles the image resolution, ideal for large displays and prints. So that should tell you right there, it's not going to be something that you're going to see as something very noticeable on your computer screen when you're looking at the whole image. But if you blow it up, if you go at 200, 300, 400%, then you'll probably see that difference. You're also probably going to want to create a stack. I like this because it feels like it's sort of a less intrusive way of doing it. You have your enhanced version and your non-enhanced version, your original. And I kind of like to have that digital trail of the original. In this box here, you see the preview. Now, if you click on the little zoom icon, you can zoom out to the whole thing. And then if you click anywhere in this photo, it'll zoom into that area. So we're going to go right back to the middle here. And it's going to show you, it says here, this is enhanced. So this is your preview. Now, if you put this little hand icon anywhere in here and just tap, when you hold the mouse button down, it's going to show you the original, and you can see at the bottom it says without enhance and then with. So you can see that difference pretty clearly. Now, this tool is not super magical. It's not going to magically make the photo be incredibly sharp when you're really zoomed in. It's going to use AI to create pixels. So it's not going to be perfect, but in some instances this could be a really cool tool. So if that feels like it's good and you want to go ahead and enhance, you tap on enhance and you give it a couple of minutes, and it says up here that it's creating your enhanced DNG. And when it's done, let me add these little toolbars back in. We'll give it a second because it did say, I think it's at something like 55 seconds to create it. It's a little bit of a process, but you can imagine if it's creating all these extra pixels, it's going to be an extra process. Okay, so it has finished creating the enhanced DNG. I chose to stack it. So here in this photo, you're going to see the number 2. If you tap on that, you see that it opens up and there's 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. And the second one is the original. The 1 of 2 is the enhanced.